Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is just 5 easy steps for you to search for hidden scholarships in the US, for universities in the US. 5 simple steps. Check it out, guys. When you want to search for schools or hidden scholarship, you start by searching for universities. So you want to know if the school has your program at first. So let me start by searching from universities in Connecticut. So you can actually choose any state that you want depending on where you like. So USA has like more than 50 states depending on wherever you want to live in, or probably you have someone that's been schooling somewhere, so you might want to search. So let me look at universities in Connecticut. So yeah, you will see you have best colleges, you have several things. UConn came up first because UConn is just like one main university in Connecticut. And also we have some Ivy League universities also in Connecticut. We have Yale University. You must have heard of Yale. So it's an Ivy League university. So we have the different ranking. Yale rank as one, then UConn, which is University of Connecticut, two, Queen Park and all that. So you can get different schools are in Connecticut. So by clicking on those, you can actually get numerous schools and their ranking, and you can choose from all this. So you can do this either for Texas, for Rhode Island, for different states in the US. So let me go to University of Connecticut and show you how to search for the scholarship, how to see if the school actually have a graduate assistantship, which are the hidden scholarship that you won't see that have been advertised. So let's go to University of Connecticut. So looking at this, you can see this is UConn. So to make it, you can explore, you can go to undergraduate admission if that's what you want. But to make it shorter so that this video will not be long, I can go through their graduate school because I'm actually looking for graduate admission. So let me click on University of Connecticut Graduate School. So you can see home, about, information, academic, admission, financing, forms, policy and contact. So majorly with me, I'll first go to academic program and find and see if they actually have my program. But because I know they have my program, let's say I've checked academic programs, so I know, yeah, you can see the different programs. So I know they have my programs. Then I can go back or go to their financing instead of go back. So you can see tuition, fellowships, graduate assistantship, loans, external funding, and graduate financial aid. So I click on graduate assistantship. So this is just like an overview. What is graduate assistantship? They explain. So this can be a teaching assistantship or research. So it is support that is given as part of your academic program. So they told you the eligibility criteria, which means you must maintain at least 3.0 over 4.0, like a B for every course you take. So they tell you the benefits and all that, the stipend rates and all that. So what GAs need to do and all that. So going to this, then I can now go to the academic program. So you can either choose a master or a doctorate. You don't have to do a doctorate. So let me click on doctorate and see. So let me go to my department. So there are various departments there. But I want to show you like my department to make it shorter and easier. So this is physiology and neurobiology. You can see graduate, postdoc, people, research, or undergraduate, and all that. So I click on graduate, PhD, or MS. Here you can see about our program, application, financial aid, and scholarship. Because I'm actually looking to see if this program actually have a graduate assistantship, I'll click on financial aid and scholarships. So now you can see graduate assistantship and financial support. So that means they have a scholarship for students. So they said the graduate assistantship may either take a form of RA or a TA. And they give you like you must maintain a grade of 3.0. So TA are trained to teach, to help teach lab and all that. So You have also another kind of scholarship. We have internal funding, we have external funding, we have conference travel awards. So if you want to know the amount of the graduate assistantship they actually have, so you can click on this and see, you can see the different salaries. So 20 hours per week is actually a full T or a full G, a full array. So you can see the different stipend form and all that. So after this, you want to actually check if the department itself, because now they say they have graduate assistantship and financial support. So look at your PhD program itself, about our program. So does this program actually have financial aid? So this is where we actually come into. So you see, our research track PhD and MS students are financially supported with competitive graduate assistantship and subsidized health insurance. That is all you need. Since you've seen this, you already know, oh, these people has a scholarship for me. So if you are applying to the school, some may list, okay, oh, we have just 30 graduate assistantship that is offered to students every year. So some may list the number. So if they don't list the number, that means if you actually accepted, you'll be given this financial aid. And another thing is, even if they wrote something like this and during your interview, you can ask them, will I be considered for financial aid if I am being accepted? There's nobody will tell you not to ask. Or when you're actually applying, there's always a place to tick, like, do you want to be considered for financial? Some people will not click this. So when you are actually applying to this schools, make sure you are doing it yourself and read every sentence. So I hope you've been able to learn something today. If you actually learned something, please kindly subscribe to my channel and also share these videos to people. Also bring people to watch my videos. Thank you. Bye.